In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Claude Code step by step using the Claude Desktop app. If you've been trying to access Claude Code and weren't sure where to find the upgrade option, this guide will walk you through the whole process from opening the app to completing your subscription. This is a quick and simple tutorial, so if it helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Claude Desktop on your computer. Once the app is open, look toward the top left area of the screen. You'll see the hamburger menu icon, and right next to it, there should be an expand sidebar icon. Click that expand sidebar icon so you can see the full navigation panel. After the sidebar expands, look for the option that says Code and click on it. This is where Claude Code is accessed, so once you're in the right section, you should see the option to continue with the upgrade process. Now click Get Claude Code. At this point, Claude will show you the available plan options. Click Get Pro Plan. This will take you to the subscription setup where you can choose how you want to be billed. You'll usually see billing options such as Pro Monthly or Pro Yearly. Select the billing plan that works best for you. Monthly is better if you want flexibility, while yearly is usually better if you want to save over the long term. Once you've selected your plan, the next step is to enter your billing information. Fill in your name, address, and any other required billing details carefully. After that, enter your payment method. Make sure your card details are correct so the subscription can go through without any issues. Before you complete the purchase, there will be a checkbox or confirmation box that says Anthropic will charge your card in the amount mentioned. Make sure to read this carefully and then click the box to confirm that you understand the charge. This is an important step because it confirms the subscription amount before the payment is processed. Finally, click Subscribe to complete the purchase. Once that goes through, your Claude Pro access should be activated and you'll be ready to use Claude Code with your selected plan. And that's it. You've now learned how to buy Claude Code inside Claude Desktop in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.